Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet, and today I'm going to show you how to blanch yellow squash. So yellow squash is any kind of summer squash, which happens to be yellow. Summer squash is a family that includes zucchini and patty pans, as opposed to winter squash, which are the hard-shelled, like acorn squash or spaghetti squash, that need to be cooked before you eat them. So this is a patty pan. Actually it's a sunburst, which is a yellow patty pan. So all sunbursts are patty pans, but not all patty pans are sunbursts. This is a yellow zucchini, so it's just like a green zucchini, only it's yellow. And this is a yellow crook squash, which is similar to this, but a little different. It tends to have a slightly harder outside, and it also crooks by the stem, and that's why we call it the yellow crook. So you blanch any one of these the same way. They are roughly the same texture. So I'm going to do the crook neck, and I'm trimming the ends, and then I'm cutting it in bite-sized pieces. Now most people, when they blanch vegetables, will prepare a bath of ice water. So they blanch the vegetables for about 2 minutes, and then plunge it in the ice water to keep it from overcooking. I have a different approach. What I do is I undercook it slightly so that you don't have to slow it down. Okay, so you can use any kind of perforated piece of kitchen equipment like a pasta colander, and what you're doing is you just want to put it in the boiling water to cook it briefly and take it out. So there we go. You can also just toss it in the water altogether and drain it, but if you're doing multiple batches, then you can keep the water boiling and blanch the summer squash as you go. And there you go. It's blanched yellow squash.